Acharya Online.
Dear students of class 4, very sweet good morning to you all. I hope that you all will be quite well. Today we have to know about the lesson 7, and that lesson is the missile man. First of all, we should know about words meaning. Here some words are given. First is supplement. Supplement means add. Anything you add in the body of any person, that is called supplement, and that may be minerals, vitamins, etc. In Hindi you can say apurti. Second word is incident. Incident means event, ghatna. Suppose that one person is going towards any place on the road and suddenly he fell down. That is incident. Responsibility, liability, that any person you have gave some, it is your responsibility to fulfill it. Civilian, non-military, one who is general person. आम आदमी, public, जनता. Collapsed. Collapsed means one who crossed. Means he has finished his life. That is fell, मर जाना. This is your word meaning. These words, it's your SW. Now come towards the lesson. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in 15th October 1931 at Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. Where he born? He born in Tamil Nadu in Rameswaram. His full name was Abul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam. May be possible, remember it, that any person can ask to you that what was the name of APJ Abdul Kalam, full name. Then you will reply Abul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam. His father Jainuddin was a boat owner and imam of a local mosque. Mosque means masjid. Local mosque, a place of worship of the religion. That religion is Muslim, Islam, where they fulfill their namaz, is called mosque. He learnt honestly and self-discipline from his father. His mother, Ashiamma, was housewife. She was a housewife. Ashiamma was his mother, Abdul Kalam's mother. He learnt kindness and faith in goodness from mother. Kindness and goodness he learnt from his mother. Her mother, his mother, given him knowledge about kindness and faith or goodness. He was the youngest of 4 brothers and 1 sister. ये 4 भाई बहनों में सबसे छोटे थे. He listened the stories of Ramayana and the life history of Prophet of bedtime. At an early age, he sold newspapers to supplement his family's income. अपने परिवार के आय में जोड़ने के लिए कि परिवार ठीक से चले, he started to sell the newspaper. he started the hawking of newspaper. One day, when Kalam was in his 5th standard, a new teacher came to his class. Kalam used to wear a cap which marked him as a Muslim. एक दिन एक नए शिक्षक आए, a new teacher came and he saw Kalam is sitting. He was wearing white cap like a Muslim. He was also a Muslim, so he was wearing it. He always sat in the front row with his Hindu friend who wrote the sacred thread. Who wore the sacred thread means हाथ में जो हम मौली सूता बांधते हैं उसे sacred thread कहते हैं. This is a holy thread and we bind on our wrist when worship finished. So that is called sacred thread. The teacher could not digest a Hindu sitting with a Muslim. ये बात उस शिक्षक को हजम नहीं हुई कि एक मुसलमान जो है वो एक हिंदू के साथ बैठ करके, एक मुसलमान बच्चा हिंदू बच्चे के साथ बैठ करके रहे. ये बात उन्हें अच्छी नहीं लगी. कलाम इज नोन फॉर हिज सिंपल लाइफ स्टाइल. कलाम जो था वो अपने लाइफ स्टाइल को बहुत ही सिंपल रखते थे. ही नेवर ओन्ड अ टेलीविज़न. बुक्स वर हिज बेस्ट कंपनी. वो कभी टेलीविज़न को झांके तक नहीं और उनका जो किताब था मित्र था. Since childhood, Kalam had their parents met the teacher and told him not to spread such feeling in children. Since childhood, Kalam had love and respect for all religion. Kalam is for his simple life style. He never owned a television. Books were his best company. He enjoyed writing Tamil poetry and playing the veena. वो तमिल में कविता लिखते थे और आनंद उठाते थे और वीणा बजाते थे. He was vegetarian. वो नॉन वेज नहीं खाते थे, मांसाहार भोजन नहीं करते थे, शाकाहार भोजन करते थे. Used to get early and sleep late at night to work for more. वो अर्ली जगते थे और लेट नाइट सोते थे क्योंकि काम अधिक करना चाहते थे. He was placed 9th in the qualifiers and there were only 8 positions in the Indian Air Force. और वे इंडियन एयरफोर्स में क्वालिफाई किए और उनका पोजीशन 8वां आया. नाउ you have to remember the word meaning. It is your SW. Thank you. Have a nice day.